the 13-point charter of demands, the Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Teachers Association was reported to have launched a large-scale sit-in protest in front of the Odisha Legislative Assembly with the participation of nearly 5,000 teachers. The association stated that leaders from different districts had submitted memorandums to more than 80 MLAs, ministers and district administrations and had received assurances that the issues would be raised in the upcoming assembly session. It was further stated that even after 5 days of agitation, no response had been received from the government. As part of the protest, teachers were said to be wearing black badges and staging sit-ins in front of school gates across the state. The association said the teachers from all 314 Adarsh Vidyalayas had united in demanding acceptance of their demands. It was recalled that the schools launched around 10 years ago as a flagship project of former Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik had provided English medium education and shown strong performance in CBSE, JEE and NEET. The association alleged that teachers were not recognized as government employees, that there were no clear service rules and that 24 teachers had died without compensation to their families. They further alleged denial of scholarship opportunities, including permission to appear in the NSMSS examination, unresolved equal pay issues.
Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya is a CBSE-based school aimed at creating better students, securing a bright future for the students. However, it has been seen that the students have been excluded from getting the NMMS scholarship. At the same time, the students are not being getting 15% reservation in NEET and JEE examination. At the same time, the teachers who are the future and the backbone of the society, they are not getting security. The main problem is that we have not been given government status, and at the same time we want cadre rule. We also want equal grade pay for all the teachers here.
The association warned of a statewide street protest from December 8 if demands remain unmet. From Bhubaneswar, Bhavani's report, Orissa Post Live.